That's neat. Alright guys, I got sidetracked with the decorations. There we go. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can get it in some sunshine. I think that's helping me. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Isn't that delicious? So, I've tried this a couple of times now. I always like to go to the location before I actually film it and review it and tell you how great the customer service was. And the customer service has been good each time. The only thing was the oil that was on the biscuit. It was too much oil and it just really ruined the biscuit. But other than that, when I went to the other location in Pomona, the biscuit was fluffy, but the chicken wasn't quite as spicy as the one at the location in Ontario. They're both pretty close to each other, so it just depends. I usually just go to the one in Ontario because of the spiciness. I like my chicken really spicy. And it's juicy, nice and crunchy. Some people think it's too crunchy. I love it. And it's not, it's greasy, but it's not as greasy as churches used to be. So that's a plus to me. I didn't get any okra. I just got the special. And I do have some rewards, but you can't make a meal out of the offer and the rewards. You can't use it all at the same time. And I believe you have to wait like an hour or two if you wanted to get 2 orders, to be able to make a meal. But you have to check your location and see how they work. Their offers and stuff. In the regular meal, you get a biscuit and a pepper. But when you just get the special, it's just the chicken. And then you have to pay for, the additional. Which isn't much. But just so you know, if you get the special. Alright, guys. I'm going to show that other piece after I finish putting up some content for you guys. I'm trying to talk and eat. See, that's what happens. You're not supposed to be talking and eating at the same time. So I'm going to finish this and post it. And let me know if you tried it. And if you have, what's your favorite? Do you like the spicy? Do you like the tenders? Do you like the wings? Do you like the coleslaw? That's nice. When it's fresh and it's hot. When it's fresh, that's really good.